TST, Tooling Software Technology, presents TSTracker and Quoting with Excel. TSTracker now has a new additional way to create quotes for your shop. By combining the tool shop environment of TST Estimator with the versatility of Excel, you can now use your own familiar quote sheet to generate quotes in minutes. This new feature can be easily accessed through Estimator's interface. Simply click on the Use Excel Template button to bring up the Excel interface. On the left side, you can see all of your templates available. You can also browse to a new template as well. Once you've selected your template, begin filling in your data as you normally do. When you're finished, click on the Save button. At this point, the data from your Excel spreadsheet has been imported into all of the Estimator tabs. All we have to do is click on Create Quote and we're finished. The quote is now logged in the database and ready to be sent out. Thank you for watching. For more information, please contact TST at 248-922-9293 or visit our website at tst-software.com. Please like and subscribe for more videos.